ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೆ ಅವಂಗೆಲ್ಲ KKJ चॅनलांकू स्वागत. आता मी GSB खाणाचे 50 चढ व्हिडिओज घालेन आसा. ते सगळं तुम्ही सपोर्ट केलेल्या का खुशी आसा. आणि आमचे व्हिडिओज हे सगळं तुम्ही अज्जा चढ सपोर्ट दिवंक म्हणून विनंती करता. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि बेल आयकन प्रेस करून सबस्क्राइब कराय.
Summer is here and with it lots of mangoes. Now is it right time to make Ambo Puddigallele that can take you right through the whole year till next season. Just follow the steps carefully so that you can enjoy this pickle throughout the year. Collect fresh, mature and firm raw mangoes. Wash well and peel them. If the skin is very thin, you may retain it. I will be using about 1 kg of the mangoes. Now cut the mangoes into 1-inch uniform pieces. Apply salt and keep aside for a while. You may do this in the night too so that you can spread out the mango pieces in the early morning. Spread to dry on a plate or plastic sheet under the sun for about 2 days. If it is very hot, 2 days of sun drying should suffice. Otherwise, keep out for another day. Remember, the dried mango pieces should not be hard, but soft and dry to touch. If they do turn hard, lightly sprinkle water to moisten them and then sun dry again. The next day, add a teaspoon of gingerly oil in a kadai and roast about 40 to 50 red chilies on a low flame. Add hing after they are roasted. Powder this in a dry mixer. If you want to directly use chili powder, see the method in our Ambadi Puddigallele video in the description below. Add a little oil to the dried mango pieces and heat for about a minute or 2. Remember, this is to remove any extra moisture and not to actually roast it. So see that they don't turn hard. Take the chili powder in a sun-dried bowl. Add a little salt. Remember, you have already salted the mango. Add about 2 tablespoons of sasma pitto, which is equal quantities of mustard and methi seeds roasted separately and powdered together. Mix all of them well to blend. Now add the mango pieces so that they are completely and well coated with the masala. Heat about 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. When the oil starts to smoke, switch off the flame. Let the oil cool completely and then pour it over the mango mix, retaining a little oil for later. Transfer the pickle to a sun-dried bottle, packing it in tightly. Then pour the rest of the oil. You can use a cling film to cover the mouth. Now cover and store in a cool, dry place. This can be used after a week or so to add more flavor to your lunch. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.